In today's session, we are discussing about updating and deleting list items in Python. Lists, of course, are one of the most flexible data structures in Python, and knowing how to modify them is an essential skill for a programmer. So we can have a quick recap. A list in Python is an ordered, mutable collection that can store different types of elements. Since lists are mutable, we can change, update, or remove items after creating them. So we can have a small list here, fruits equal list of apple, grape, mango, and we can print. So you got the list apple, grape, and mango. So we are going to see updating list items. Updating means changing the value of an element at a specific index. Of course, we know that each and every item in a list will have an index. We have fruits, close to apple, mango, cherry. If you are going to, you're going to give print of fruits one, getting man. So each and every items inside a list are called with an index. So with the same index, you can replace the items also. So now the index one is having mango. You can change this mango to banana. Fruits of one equals to banana. And now we will print. You can see instead of mango, banana replace the mango item. This is the first way you can update a list items. Even we can change the integers also. So you can give us L equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will take print list of 2. It is 3. So we can change all these items. One by one, we can change, or in a group wise, we can change. That is L of 0 to 3 equals to give us 10, 20, 30. Now we will print and see. Print that. You can see the first three list item got replaced with 10, 20, and 30. There are four common ways to delete items from a list in Python. First method is a del statement by index. So we have the list of fruits, and now we will delete banana. That is del of fruits one. The index is one, and now we will print. You can see the first index have been deleted, and now I have to mention. Now the second method is pop method using index returns the removed item actually. So if you want to get the removed item, you can use pop method. We can use the same list here also, and we will create a variable remove item equals to dot pop, and we can give the index one and banana index itself. And now we will print the removed item. The removed item is removed item, and then we will print the list. You can see the removed item is banana. The remaining list is apple and cherry. If no index is given, pop removes the last item. That means now here we have given pop and we have given the index one. If you are not giving any index, see, removed, removed item equals start pop, and we will print the, and then we will print outs. You can see we haven't given any index for that, so it has taken the last index. That is cherry has been removed. Now we have only apple and banana. Now the third method is remove method by value. The problem here is if the value doesn't exist, Python will raise an error. That means you have to give the value correctly. You have to check the spelling and the value will need to be clear of it. So same thing we will do here. And we'll give fruits dot remove banana print fruits. So exactly you got apple and cherry, banana got removed. So this is the problem. The spelling has been wrong. Then it would have given an error. Fourth one is clear method. Actually, if you use clear method, it removes all the items. It will become an empty list. So we will use the same list here and we will use Rooms covered clear and print. You can see an empty list here. So in this video, you have seen updation and deletion in the list. Deletion, of course, there are four types, and we have seen all the four types. So once again, you can see lists are mutable. You can update and delete elements anytime. You can update by index or slice. You can delete by del, pop, remove, or clear, depending on your use case. Suppose your use case, you need to get the deleted item, you can use pop. When you want to delete the entire list, you can use clear. So hope this was a valuable one. Have a nice day.